Suhoor, an early morning feast during Ramadan, plays a crucial role in maintaining energy and preventing hunger throughout the day's fast. It's a time of hydration and nourishment, a moment to fuel your body for the day ahead. Consider protein-rich foods, whole grains, fruits and vegetables, and healthy fats, all key players in a balanced suhoor. Drink plenty of water and herbal teas, but limit caffeine to avoid dehydration. Be mindful of your choices. Steer clear of processed foods, sugary cereals and fried delicacies. And remember, moderation is key when it comes to spices. Looking for suhoor inspiration? Try oatmeal with almonds and dates, Greek yogurt with fruit and nuts, scrambled eggs with veggies, whole wheat toast with avocado, refreshing smoothies, or a delightful chia seed pudding. But suhoor is more than just physical nourishment. It's also a spiritual intention, a time to prepare for the day of fasting ahead. May your suhoor be blessed and fulfilling, a beacon of light guiding you through the day. For more suhoor recipes, explore a diverse collection to suit your preferences throughout Ramadan. Remember, every bite, every sip, every moment of suhoor is a step towards a fulfilling, blessed day.